So, good morning. Ang report ko is subtopic ng generators. Field construction, field winding, and insulation. So, dito daw sa field construction is tinutukoy dito yung rotating part ng generator which is called rotor. So, alam na natin naman yung generator is contains of two main parts, rotor and is stator. Yung stator is yung stationary and rotor is the rotating part. Next is define let's define the synchronous generators. The synchronous generator or alternator is an electrical machine that converts the mechanical power from a prime mover into an AC electrical power at a particular voltage and frequency. So, kino-convert down dito yung mechanical power to AC electrical power. So, into AC. AC is yung current waveform niya is sinusoidal. So, yun, yung mechanical power naman na ano yun, nag-generate dun din sa generator between dun sa stator and between dahil dun sa poles ng stator and rotor. Nagiging dahilan ng pag-rotate ng rotor. So, next is the synchronous motor always runs at a constant speed. So, once na daw mag-rotate yung rotor is yung speed niya is constant na. So, yun. Next is field construction. So, dito sa field construction, yung tinukoy ko kanina is yung rotating part ng generator. So, yun na nga. The rotating field or rotors of alternator embody two types of construction. So, dito daw, meron daw tayong two types of construction. First is silent poles. Second is non-silent poles. So, yun. So, define natin yung silent poles. So, silent pole rotor is ginagamit daw ito for an low speed machine. So, next, it's sometimes constructed of solid pieces of stamping, dovetailed and bolted to the central through which the shaft projects. So, yun. Next is, it operates at a speed below 1,500 revolution per minute and 40% of its rated torque excitation. So, mababa lang yung speed ng machine, yung revolution niya per minute. So, yung required torque din or rated torque niya is mababa rin. So, next is, the rotor has a low mechanical strength. So, mababa daw yung mechanical strength ng silent pole. Next is, it has a large diameter and short axial strength. So, tingnan natin dito sa upper side. Nakita natin yung silent pole rotor. Yung figure. So, kung titingnan natin yung axial strength niya is maliit lang. So, compare dun sa diameter niya. Yung diameter niya is very large. Ay, di very large pala. Large lang. So, yan na yung silent pole rotor. So, additional lang, it has a uniform air gap. So, pag sinabi daw ng uniform air gap, medyo noisy daw yung machine. So, yun. Yun lang yung silent pole rotor. So, next naman is non-silent pole rotor. Yung kadalasan, tinatawag din itong cylindrical rotor. So, define ko na. Cylindrical field is solid steel slotted for field windings. So, next, this rotor operates at a speed between at 1,500 to 3,000 RPM. So, compare dito sa sa silent pole, medyo mas mabilis itong cylindrical rotor na to or non-silent pole rotor. So, next, it has a strong mechanical strength. So, meron daw itong strong compared dun sa silent pole rotor. Next is, its diameter is small and has a large axial strength and requires a higher torque than silent pole. So, tingnan natin dito sa upper side ulit, yung image ng cylindrical rotor. Yung actual strength niya is mahaba. Kumpara naman sa silent pole, maikli lang yung ano niya, actual strength. Pero pagdating naman sa diameter, medyo maikli yung shorter yung cylindrical compared to silent pole. So yun. Tapos daw pati, it requires higher torque than a silent pole. So, medyo nag-operate siya sa mas mabilis na revolution per minute. So, kailangan nyo ng higher torque. Then, next, it has uniform air gap. So, kabaligtaran naman ito sa silent pole, ito naman is less noisy. Itong cylindrical rotor. So, yun. Punta tayo sa field winding and insulation. Dito daw, field wound for 125 or 250 volts. For the reason, the electric strength of the insulation used is not so important as the mechanical strength and heat resisting properties. So, yung field wound daw niya is built for mechanical strength and heat resist. So next, in silent pole machine, the field core covered with an insulating spool over flat copper strap is wound edges. So next, the crushing force exerted on the insulation of non-silent pole high-speed machine are very great. They are further increased by the magnetic forces occurring in a short circuit in order to withstand these forces and heat generated in the field core. Mica and asbestos are used always exclusively as insulation. So yun. Next. So meron tayo dito yung comparison ng dalawang rotor ng synchronous generator. Dito sa left side is yung cylindrical, dito naman sa right side is yung silent pole rotor. So yung field winding is yung nasa rotating part ng generator. So, yun. Dito naman sa babasahin ko yung nasa table. Non-silent pole rotor or cylindrical rotor. Rotor poles are not projecting out. So, not projecting out. Yung poles daw nung yung cylindrical is not projecting out dito, di slot. Ito yung tinutukoy niya. Medyo malaki yung space nung poles ng rotor. So next is silent pole rotor. Rotor poles are projecting out. So pino-project niya yung kung ilan yung slot dun sa stator part. Itong part na to, ito yung stator. Tapos ito naman yung part na to, ito yung rotor. So yung poles daw ng rotor, which is yung example is ito, pro-project niya yung slot ng part ng stator. So yun. So application, silent pole synchronous generator usually used in hydropower plants. So yun. Next, non-silent synchronous are used in gas, nuclear, and thermal power plants. So yun lang po.